In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple projects in Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Managing multiple projects can be challenging, but Monday.com provides a streamlined way to keep everything organized. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the official website of Monday.com. Once you're on the site, log into your account to access your workspace. This is where all the project management magic begins. You will see your existing boards, and we're going to create a centralized place to oversee all your projects. Next, locate the sidebar on the left side of your screen. This sidebar is your navigational tool. Here, you'll find a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will prompt a list of options related to project management features available in Monday.com. From the list that appears, select the Dashboard option. This step is crucial because dashboards let you create a unified view for all your projects. It's like your project management control center. Now it's time to name your dashboard. Enter a clear name that reflects its specific purpose. This will help you easily identify what the dashboard is for, especially if you plan to create more in the future. A good name can save you time and confusion. After naming your dashboard, you'll have to choose the privacy settings. This allows you to control which team members can view or edit the data within the dashboard. It's important to set these properly as it ensures that the right people have access to the right information. Once that's done, click the Create Dashboard button to generate your new personalized project management workspace. Now comes the exciting part. You'll want to select all the individual project boards that you wish to connect to this central hub. This is where you'll pull in the information from different areas of your projects. It's like creating a map of all the various tasks and teams working within your projects. After selecting the relevant boards, click the Done button to finalize your selection. This step ensures that your dashboard is equipped with all the necessary data streams you need for effective project management. Next, you'll be able to enhance your dashboard further by using the Add Widget button. This feature allows you to choose visual tools like charts, timelines, or task lists. These widgets are vital as they provide a clear and interactive visual representation of your project progress and workflows. Finally, customize the layout of your dashboard to display the most important information according to your specific workflow needs. Think about what metrics or data will help you and your team make better decisions. By tailoring your dashboard layout, you ensure that the information you rely on is front and center. And just like that, you've set up a powerful dashboard on Monday.com to manage multiple projects effectively. Remember, this dashboard will evolve as your projects progress and as your needs change. Happy project managing, and don't forget to check back for more tips on using Monday.com effectively.